Jazz 731, roger. Once your level speeding at above 240 knots, and once you get closer to the traffic in front, I might reduce that.
Okay, not above 240 knots for Jazz 731.
Thank you. All Maroc 208, reduce your speed to 230 knots.
Speed back 230, Maroc 208.
All Maroc 208, roger. Thanks for your help. Contact terminal 1269. Good day.
269, thank you, bye-bye. Mobil, bonsoir, Maroc 208, heavy descending, 8,000 feet.
Voilà, Maroc 208 heavy, terminal bonsoir. Runway 248, it is Papa, altimeter 2997, descent to 4,000.
We descend 4,000, 2997, runway 24 right, Maroc 208.
Envoy 9809, contact Montreal Tower 1199, good day.
9809, good day.
Jazz 600, when able, flighting 090.
Okay, we're able 090 now, Jazz 600.
Better.
Cabin ready.
Thank you. Hold.
Yeah, can we
Sure.
expect vectors from here on in for Jazz 600?
Okay, affirmative, Jazz 600, Royal Maroc 208, flighting 295 Victors for your descent.
I understand, right heading 295 or maximum 10 miles because we are heading to bad weather.
Royal Maroc 208, roger. I'll make you intercept 15-mile funnel.
Thank you.
295 magenta, hidden select green.
Checked.
Select flaps 1.
Jazz 600, flighting 150.
Selected 1.
150, Jazz 600.
Roger.
India Zulu Zulu identified.
Okay. Flaps 1 green.
Select flap 5.
Selected 5.
Royal Maroc 208, flighting 270, intercept, localizer, runway 24 right, track and bound.
Left heading 275 or 270 and clear to intercept.
Jazz 600, turn right heading 210 to intercept, cleared ILS,
Hidden
runway 24 right
270
approach.
magenta.
210 for intercept, good ILS, 24 right approach, Jazz 600.
Maroc 208 heading 270 we intercept runway 4 right.
3000, cleared ILS, runway 24 right approach.
Maroc 208 heading 270 we intercept localizer 24 right.
Royal Maroc 208, roger, and you are clear for the approach, 24 right.
Clear approach 24 right.
Jazz 600, maintain
220.
speed, will cross Volax at a speed of 160 knots.
Volax 160, Jazz 600.
Roger.
India Zulu Zulu identified, 2 pointers, lock armed.
Checked.
Ground contact.
Yes.
1000 to level off.
Jazz 600, contact Montreal Tower 1199.
Towers on 199, Jazz 600.
Roger.
Lock green.
Checked.
Approach mode, glide slope armed.
Checked.
Speed, VNAV altitude.
Checked. On the runway inside.
Yes.
Maroc 208 is established localizer. Established 24 right and speed back 187.
Royal Maroc 208, roger, speed at your discretion. Contact Montreal Tower 1199.
99, thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.
Glide slope green, go around altitude 3000, set.
Yep.
Royal, bonsoir, Maroc 209 heavy, Sterling 24 right.
Well, Mach 208 Heavy, Montreal clearance, good day. Your number 2 beyond regional jet at the marker. Continue the approach.
We continue, we have 180 knots.
Select flaps 10.
Selected 10. No land 3.
Checked.
Well, Mach 208, you're clear to land, runway 24 right.
Clear land, runway 24 right, Maroc 208.
Mach 208, roger, and plan to exit the Bravo 2 intersection.
We plan to exit via Bravo 2, Maroc 208.
Gear down. Select flaps 20. Arm speed brake.
Well, Mach 208, the landing clearance is now canceled. I will release traffic before you.
Okay, understand the landing clearance is cancelled.
Lufthansa 475, line up, runway
Select flaps 30.
24 right and be ready.
Lufthansa 475, lining up 24 right, ready for departure.
Just 600, no need to respond, but exit Bravo 2. Mach 208, reduce the minimum.
We are.
Perfect, thank you.
Select flaps
600,
30.
exit Bravo 2,
Longer.
cross runway 28, contact apron 12207 on the other side.
Take Bravo 2, and we'll cross runway 28 and contact apron on Foxtrot Jazz.
Sure.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist, speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Lufthansa 475,
30.
contact departure
Landing
airborne,
checklist
winds are
complete.
2208 knots, you're clear of 4 takeoff,
Stabilized.
runway 24 right.
Lufthansa 475, clear to take off 24 right.
1,000.
Stabilize.
The Pro application, but we don't use it aboard. We have just to prepare the flight. We have the navigation charts and we have the approach charts, but we don't use them aboard, not yet. And of course, on 787 we have the electronic flight bag, where we have all we need for the flight: performance calculation, en route charts, documentation, terminal charts, and it makes our lives easier. The most important thing to say about 787 is fuel efficiency. It was supposed to replace the 767, and it is 20% more efficient than more than 20% fuel efficiency than the 767. It's a lighter airplane, and even the design is different. It's a bleedless airplane. We have no more pneumatics. We have a lot of systems that use electricity instead of pneumatics or hydraulics. For example, we have electric brakes, we have electric anti-icing, we use electrical compressors for the cabin, so the air is cleaner, and even the cabin is, the altitude cabin is lower. So it climbs maximum to 6,000 feet. The other airliners have a cabin altitude of 8,000 feet, so it's more comfort for passengers. Again, fuel efficiency, it's a lighter airplane. It's 80% composite in volume, so it's lighter. It consumes less fuel, and if you have less fuel, you have less carbon emissions. So it's environmental friendly. Also, something important: the noise. It's a very, very quiet airplane, outside and inside. You see, we are in the cockpit. It's very, very quiet. It's one of the points that make this airplane pilot friendly. Modern technology and all the tools that pilots have to do their job in this airplane. For the time being, we have 4 787s at Royal Air Maroc, and we are expecting the 5th one early December this year. So it flies North America, New York, and Montreal. We expect to fly to Washington on September the 8th, first flight. It flies also to Doha, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. And of course Europe, to Paris, all the capitals, European capitals that where Royal Air Maroc go.